we got the chain on the sprockets here. Timing marks are looking lined up. We want to address again here the flat of the crankshaft's lined up here with our mark on the cam plate. Camshaft timing marks are looking good. I think we're ready for assembly here. Everything looks good. We're going to go through, we're going to use moly lube on the underhead flanges of the crank and cam bolts. Once again, the chamfer goes towards the bolt. A little bit of Loctite. We'll step torque these guys into place, and then we'll move on to the tensioner. I'm going to get this. Got it? We're good. My boy Uncle Alan, my boy set me up with this speed handle. He's all about it. He taught me a little thing or two. Okay, we're going to step torque these guys where we're going to go down, back off the torque, and then do the final. Alright, we want to make sure that the chain's free from burrs. We already checked that. We want to get some lube on this guy. It's key that there's lube on this chain and on the tensioner pad. Let's touch back again here on the inside of the tensioner housing, means we're reusing the factory cast unit with the new Feuling pads. We want to make sure that the inside is looking good. Some of these get beat up pretty bad from the piston, the back of the piston, digging into the aluminum housing, and then it'll cock the pad right out of the gate. So we want to make sure that looks good down in there. These aren't terrible. We want to get a little bit of lube on these suckers. We want to make sure that the pad itself is lubed because we don't want any issues with the ID of the body to the pad. Make sure that works good. Plenty of lube on the pad surface itself. These are the new button heads supplied by Feuling. We want to make sure we've got the ARP lube on the underhead flange, a little bit of Loctite on the thread. All right, we're going to put the tensioner pad up there. Assembly lube on it. Quarter-inch bolt, should be in the realm of 90 to 120 inch-pounds. And there you have it. Camchest kit is installed. Now we're ready to go about doing the lifters, push rods, rocker arms, complete the assembly.